Fierce gun battles rage in northern Gaza's Jabalia and southern Rafah on Israeli military incursions intensify against Palestinian armed groups. Hamas and Israel's army both claim significant enemy's casualties. At least 82 Palestinians have been killed in the past 24 hours and the highest death toll in the single day in many weeks during relentless Israel air attacks. More than 450,000 Palestinians have now fled to Rafah city, another 1 lakh evacuating the north on Israel's military launches new attack. Meanwhile, the White House has informed Congress it wants to send more than $1 billion weapons to Israel. The package would include tank rounds, mortars, and armored tactical vehicles.
নগদে ৫০০ টাকা বা তার বেশি পেমেন্টে পেতে পারেন ঢাকায় জমিসহ ২০ কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।